Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a philosophy that's been around for centuries but feels more relevant than ever: Stoicism. Let's face it, the modern world throws a lot at us. Constant deadlines, social media pressure, and the ever-present news cycle can leave us feeling stressed, anxious, and out of control. But what if there was a way to navigate this chaos with more clarity and inner peace? That's where Stoicism comes in. This ancient Greek philosophy isn't about becoming emotionless robots. It's about understanding what we can and can't control and focusing on what truly matters. Core Stoic principles for the modern man. Here are two key Stoic principles that can be incredibly helpful. The dichotomy of control. This principle reminds us to distinguish between what we can control, our thoughts, actions, and reactions, and what we can't, external events, other people's behavior. Host. By focusing on what's within our control, we stop wasting energy on things we can't change. This frees us up to approach challenges with a clear head and focus on solutions. Virtue is the key to happiness. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of living virtuously. This means developing qualities like courage, wisdom, justice, and temperance. Host. By cultivating these virtues, we build resilience, make better decisions, and live with integrity. This, in turn, leads to a more fulfilling and meaningful life. Applying Stoicism in everyday life. So, how can you apply Stoicism in everyday life? Here are a few tips. Practice mindfulness. Be present in the moment and observe your thoughts and emotions without judgment. Journaling. Writing down your thoughts and worries can help you gain perspective and identify areas for improvement. Stoic meditations. There are many resources available online and in libraries for daily Stoic meditations. Host, remember, Stoicism is a journey, not a destination. The more you practice these principles, the better equipped you'll be to handle whatever life throws your way. Outro. Thanks for joining me today. Let me know in the comments below how you plan to incorporate Stoicism into your life. If you're interested in learning more, I'll leave some resources linked in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more self-improvement content.